Hello 11th class student, intermediate first year, right? Am I correct? So we are going to see our Telangana State Board previous year question paper of 2016. This is our Maths A, and this is in Telugu version. So we already see in the English version also, and in description the link I will provide link. So if you're English medium, you can easily watch this one. Okay. And one more thing, if the video clarity is not clear, we can just click on the three dots and you can increase or decrease the video clarity from there. Okay, right, this information is clear. Then let's come to the here. So here this section is divided into three parts. The first section is very short question answer. It's carry 2 marks. One question carry 2 marks, and 10 question carry 2 marks, then 20 marks. Okay, and here these are the first question here. This is from the function first chapter question here. Okay, these are the first first chapter questions. Okay, then here we can go. This is good, third, fourth and fifth one. Okay, so I hope till here it is clear. Then you can see the question number 6, 7th, 8th and 9th. Okay, I will not take your lots of time. I will just show this chapter in within 2 and 3 minutes. Okay, na? Because I know you are very busy persons, so you are watching this video, then you don't go through the long as it is possible. Okay, this is section B. Okay, right, this is section B. It's carry 1 question for 4 marks, then 5 question for 20 marks. Okay, and here 11th question, 12th question. Okay, so till here it is clear for you. Well, question number 13 you can see. Okay, then after we can go through the 14 one here, and this is question number 15. Then here question number 16. Okay, then 17 here. Okay, so till here I hope it is clear for you and you don't have any kinds of doubt. Then it's 5 cross 7 question, 35 marks, and this is section 3. This is the third one. This is 18. Okay, question number 18 here, right? Then here we can see the 19 one here, and 20. This is the matrix question, and 21, 22. This is a very easy question. This is a very easy question. Okay, now if you have really you can solve, you can say 23 question, 24 question. Okay, so well, 2016 our maths A is totally completed here. Okay, and in the next video we are going to talk about our previous year question paper of 2016 maths B in Telugu version only. And if you are looking for English version, in description is the link, you can check out. Okay, if you are looking for the important question paper of other subjects also, has a Telugu medium, has English medium, definitely I will show to you. Okay, right, so let's meet on the another video. Jai Hind.